Did you know that color can increase brand recognition by up to 80%? Imagine walking into a room painted in calming blues versus a vibrant red. Which one feels more inviting? Hey there, design marketers. Welcome back to Jay's Digital Hub, where your online presence begins. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of color theory and why it's essential in graphic design. Before we jump into the tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome design tips, tricks, and tutorials from Jay's Digital Hub. Now let's get started. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding color theory can totally elevate your work. So, stick around for our top 10 tips that will help you master color palettes and make your designs pop. Let's get started. So, first let's understand what is color theory. Color theory is the foundation of design. It helps us understand how colors interact and influence each other. Color is the way that we describe an object based on the way that it reflects or emits light. Did you know the human eye can see different colors because our retinas are sensitive to different light wavelengths? Now let's understand color wheel. To better understand color, we can arrange color into the color wheel. It shows the connection between colors and organizes these colors into groups. Here is a fun fact. Another word for color is hue. So in this color wheel, we can see many different hues. The color wheel includes primary, secondary, and tertiary colors to help you understand these relationships. We can see primary colors on the color wheel. Primary colors like red, blue, and yellow are combined to form all other colors. Now we can see secondary colors on the color wheel. The color wheel shows us which primary colors mix to make a secondary color. For example, blue plus yellow combine to form green color. Comment down if you can spot which colors make purple and orange. But it doesn't stop there. Now we can see tertiary colors on the color wheel. Tertiary colors are made by mixing primary and secondary colors. For example, yellow plus orange are combined to form a new color yellow-orange. The more you blend, the more variety you get. This basic understanding is crucial when choosing a color palette for your designs. Every color has an emotional impact. Choosing the right color can subtly influence people's feelings about your design. For instance, red signifies passion and energy. Blue conveys trust and calmness. Green represents growth and nature. And yellow conveys energy and happiness. When designing for a brand, consider what feelings you want to evoke in your audience. A well-chosen color can enhance your message significantly. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Here are the 10 tips to master color theory. The first tip for beginners is to get familiar with the color wheel. It's your foundation for understanding how colors work together, from creating contrast to harmony. Spend time playing with the wheel to explore different combinations. Colors have meanings and can evoke different emotions. For example, blue tends to convey trust, while red can evoke excitement or urgency. Keep this in mind to align your color choices with your message. Use analogous colors for harmony. These are colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel like blue and green. They create a cohesive, calming effect that's perfect for branding or soft designs. Contrast is key. It helps draw attention to important elements in your design. Use complementary colors, as these are colors directly opposite each other on the wheel, like blue and orange. It's a great way to make text stand out against backgrounds or to highlight key visuals. Next, understand warm versus cool colors. Warm colors like reds, yellows, and oranges are great for evoking energy and excitement. Cool colors like blues and greens are calming and professional. Think about the feeling you want your design to give off. Then limit your palette. Less is often more when it comes to color. Stick to a limited palette of 3 to 5 colors to keep your design cohesive and avoid overwhelming viewers. For beginners, starting with a monochrome palette can be a game changer. It uses only one color in different shades, making it simple yet effective. Neutrals can be a powerful tool in your palette. They can balance out brighter colors and offer a sophisticated touch. Don't be afraid to use blacks, whites, and grays to enhance your designs. Also experiment with shades and tints. Don't just stick to the base colors. Play around with shades like darker versions and tints like lighter versions of your colors. This adds depth and variety to your palette. Look for inspiration in nature, art, or even in your favorite brands. Sometimes, the best color combinations come from unexpected sources. And finally, trust your gut. If a color combination feels right to you, go with it. Your intuition is often a great guide when it comes to design. Last but not the least, use online color generators. There are tons of online tools that can help you create stunning color palettes. Websites like Coolers and Adobe Color are fantastic resources to spark your creativity. Now you've got 10 solid tips to help you master color theory so you can choose the right palette for any project. Whether it's for branding or your next big design, these tips will set you on the path to success. So what are your favorite color combinations? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our video on 10 free graphic design tools. Let's keep learning and creating together.